That's dope.
What is up, everybody? This is Scott Melker, also known as the Wolf of All Streets. It is Friday, February 19th, and I want to talk about Binance Coin because it is the talk of the entire cryptocurrency market. It's up over 40% in the last 24 hours after pumping for weeks. Now, why is this happening? BNB's surge comes amid the success of PancakeSwap. Believe it or not, yesterday PancakeSwap did $1.6 billion in volume, while Uniswap only did $1.2 billion. Pretty crazy. So why is this happening? Well, you've probably heard in the past about Binance Chain. That's the home of the BNB currency. It's optimized for ultra-fast trading, but obviously there are trade-offs here, and it wasn't very flexible as far as programmability with other blockchains. So Binance Smart Chain, the new chain, that fixes this, right? It's a full-fledged environment for developing high-performance dApps. It was built for cross-chain compatibility with Binance Chain to ensure that users get the best of both worlds. Well, BSC is fully compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine, referred to as EVM, and the design goal here was to leave the high throughput of Binance Chain intact while introducing smart contracts into its ecosystem. Now, because BSC is EVM compatible, it launched with support for the whole rich universe of Ethereum tools and dApps. In theory, this makes it easy for developers to port their projects over from Ethereum. For users, it means that applications like MetaMask can be easily configured to work with BSC. Seriously, you just go into your MetaMask, you change a couple settings, there's articles about it all over the place, and then you can get started. So what's the bottom line? Binance has gone full DeFi with the Binance Smart Chain and PancakeSwap, and interest is rapidly growing. A lot of projects are choosing the faster and cheaper chain over Ethereum. This doesn't mean that you should be bearish on Ethereum. It just means that there's a new kid in town. Now there are trade-offs. PancakeSwap is obviously less decentralized than its Ethereum competitors, but it's far faster and cheaper, which is the biggest issue with Ethereum. Anyone who's used Uniswap or has sent anything ERC20 has seen the incredible gas fees, failed transactions, slow transactions. I mean, we all know what the problems are with Ethereum that likely will be solved with Ethereum 2.0. So what's astounding is at present, the Binance Smart Chain has 10.5 billion total value locked. That's TVL, and that's growing by 20 to 30% a day. Last time I checked, it was 8, and the day before it was 6. I mean, we're seeing real adoption of PancakeSwap in the Binance Smart Chain. Why does this matter for BNB price? Well, because to be a validator, participants have to stake BNB. That means its supply is removed from the market. Further, BNB is actually not an inflationary coin. The supply decreases over time as a result of coin burns. And if you use PancakeSwap, then you pay fees in BNB just like you pay gas fees with Ethereum on Uniswap. So BNB obviously has a lot going for it right now. So let's see how that is reflected in the chart. First, this is the BNB USDT chart. And what is there to say, guys? This thing is absolutely parabolic. 3 straight weeks of mega moves to the upside. I mean, absolutely incredible. It's like a SpaceX rocket, right? The previous all-time high before a few weeks ago was $39. Now we're at $263 with very little sign that this is going to stop anytime soon. We had the breakout from this descending resistance and then the breakout of that previous all-time high. 1, 2, 3, 4 retests of that line of support before this move up. That's technically just an absolutely perfect breakout, perfect flip of resistance to support. Absolutely beautiful. Now, what's more interesting is it's also smashing against Bitcoin, which has been a hard task while Bitcoin has been going up, but it's achieved it. We've basically been in this downtrend since April of 2019. We're looking at almost 2 years of a downtrend of BNB against Bitcoin. It looked like it broke support here, but flipped it back and then broke through this descending resistance, which was really the signal that this was ready to head up. Also, that was in confluence with this horizontal resistance that had acted as support multiple times here, right around 0.001666. A lot of numbers there for the sats. So this is actually beautiful because it broke 2 resistance, retested both as support, and then rocketed through every line you could possibly draw. Now, what's important here if you're looking to trade this in the future is that we're looking at a weekly chart and we have the previous all-time high here at 0.0048134. Presently, we're basically 0.005. You want to see a weekly candle close above this line. You do not want to see it rejected with a long wick above. That would be a potential bearish SFP, swing failure pattern, meaning there was a lot of selling liquidity and interest here. But if this closes above, technically the kind of entry you would want to look for if you can get it is a retest of this line as support. So something where it comes down, heads back up and goes. This would be in full price discovery if it closes here above, and you would look for much, much higher prices and appreciation. Bottom line, like most coins in the market, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, BNB has been raging and really looks like it's a buy the dip kind of coin. So if you see a drop and you're looking to get into this, it should remain bullish. So buy the dip. Now, once again, that was my review of BNB. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Also, check out my sponsor, Femex, and you can sign up for the newsletter and do a whole lot of things in the description. Thank you once again, and I'll see you guys later.